एक्सपीरियंस है ये, अनबिलीवेबल।
Sir, this is our traditional fishing net, which we always born with traditional fisher. Me and my brother and our local fishermen continue this work. So, yeah,
Tradition must continue.
exactly. So I want always our generation should keep on doing this traditional fishermen. And people like you should also advertise our.
No, I'll tell you, when we come to Goa, the only thing is good seafood.
Yes, sir.
But nobody ever thinks how much hard work everyone does
Yeah.
to get the delicious
And
seafood that we always have.
ऊपर चले जाएंगे फिर आप नीचे कैसे उतारते हो आप?
क्या एक्सपीरियंस है ये, अनबिलीवेबल। फर्स्ट टाइम देखा है फिशरमैन अंदर लेके जा रहे हैं बोट को फिशिंग करने के लिए, मगर उसके लिए कितनी मेहनत करनी पड़ रही है। इट इज अनबिलीवेबल।
Sir, yeah. Sir, this is our traditional. Righteous means power. God is power. And I am today happiest man in this earth.
I
The
also
world number one cricket player. Every people's popular guy is helping traditional fishermen. God bless you, sir, and your family. And this world should see you are spending time with traditional fishermen. Thank you so much, sir. I am very rich today. I am very rich, sir.
कितने फिश कैच करते हैं। It will be exciting. We have a visitor here. सिर्फ फिश पकड़ने से काम नहीं चलेगा, खाना भी पड़ेगा।
Please come, sir. Please. I have a small restaurant on the beach, and I am so happy. The world number one come to my place to eat. You know, sir.
लंच को मिलते हैं। This is where we gonna have lunch. This is the fish.
Yeah, Goan.
क्या है ये? What is the recipe?
Yeah, rechak fry, sir.
Rechak fry.
Goan masala. Goan masala rechak fry.
So what is this?
This is a grouper, sir. In Konkani, it's called gobro. This is one of my favorite fish because it's white meat. And this most you get only in Bat Island, which is Vasco da Gama, for fishing with a rod. So I give this especially for Arun because he don't like much bones.
पहले को हमने कोकोनट वाटर पूछा, तो देखो क्या करने जा रहा है। There we go. You can have a bath in coconut water now.
Don't shy it. Just enjoy this fresh coconut.
You called him Arun.
Arun, sir.
His name is Arjun.
Arjun. And I
Yes.
call you Arun. Sorry, sir.
Arun.
And this is my loving wife.
So today's the lunch course like pomfret kaldin, prawns curry, and sangta. In Goan we call it sangta. In English it's catfish, ambottik, and the brown rice. Sorry, red rice.
Somebody is happy with red rice. Huh?
Who's
Yeah.
happy? Yeah.
And this
Very
is
happy.
what we catch today.
Yes.
All live fish.
Catch of the day.
Yeah.
Catch of the day.
Catch of the day.
Catches win matches.